Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I've got my Walmart grocery haul to share with you. I think I'm going to start on this side today and work my way to the other side. I got this Bud Light Orange. Matt actually got some of this when we were on vacation. He had never tried it and said it was really good, especially for warmer weather. And in a couple weeks we're going to have some friends over, so I decided just to pick this up now because it's something I would easily forget. So I grabbed this just to have at the house for when people stop by, when we have people over. And then I also got some of the Pampers Pure Aqua wipes. These have skyrocketed to the top of my all-time favorite wipe. I absolutely love these. They are just so good. I love how wet they are, the texture of them. I'm just obsessed with them. So I got the box of 6 of them. I got a dozen of the jumbo brown eggs, which we usually go through about a dozen eggs a week. I got some mini little ice cream cups. I get these all the time for portion control because sometimes I like to have one of these little cups at night with like a cookie or something, or like a sweet treat, so I grabbed that. I got 3 steamer bags of veggies. I got the mixed vegetables, 2 of those, and then the kernel corn. They're like 77 cents each, and they're really good quality. I really like them. I also got some of the New York bakery style breadsticks. I got these a couple weeks ago and they're really good. I think I only have like 1 or 2 left, so I got another box for the deep freezer. I got one of these DiGiorno thin hand-tossed margarita pizzas. We love these. I love the DiGiorno thin pizzas. I'm not a huge fan of their normal pizzas, but I do like their thin, and I also like their deep dish pizzas. I got a family size box of Cheez-Its. Grady and Matt are in a Cheez-It kick right now. I got some Pepperidge Farm golden potato hamburger buns for these, which I'll get to in a minute. I also got some of these little potato savory herb little microwave packs. I really went through a phase with these hard last year and I love them, but they are expensive, so I'm only going to get them once in a while. They're like $3.90 something, $3.97 I think, but it's a really quick and easy side and it's just perfect for busy nights. I also got the Shady Brook Farms spinach and kale turkey patties to go along with these. I feel like these are going to be really good and obviously something you could recreate as well, so I grabbed those. I got some of the Wal-Mart Great Value brand yogurt tubes. Grady likes them and they're much cheaper than the Stonyfield. At the deli I got some salami, some Hormel pepperoni cheese. It's like cheddar cheese with pepperoni in it. And then I also got some Butterball, I believe, turkey. These I saw at the checkout line and I had to get them. I'm a big sucker for like the Sweet Tarts brand of things, so I just had to get these to try them. I got some cat treats for the cat, some wet cat food for the cat, some of the wheat thin tomato basil. I got a box of these last week and I almost have housed like almost the whole box. So I got another one. I think I'm going to go ahead and keep this one at work so I have something to snack on rather than be tempted to like go to the vending machine because they're really good. We needed some mayo, so I got the Hellmann's Real Mayo. I got a couple canned soups. I like to keep at least two to three of these in the house because on the weekends they're just easy to heat up and have like with a sandwich. So I got the grilled chicken sausage gumbo and I got the savory chicken and wild rice. I got some minced garlic for times when I need garlic and I don't have fresh garlic. I also picked up some shallots. Shallots are something I love, but I always forget about. They're just something I never think of, but I happened to see them today. So I got some shallots. I got a large red pepper. They were $1.28 a piece, so I just got the biggest one. I got some organic Stonyfield strawberry banana pouches. They had them back in stock, so I grabbed one. I've really been loving this rice. It's a pretty recent discovery, but it's definitely become one of our favorite rices. It's the Carolina brand yellow rice with seasoning. It already is seasoned. I would say we probably have this once a week as a side dish. If you are a larger family, you're probably going to need more than one. I would say this is like a 2-person side dish as like a hearty side. If you're a family of like 4 or 5, you might want to get 2 of them, just an FYI. And they're really cheap. They're 70 cents. I got 2 large beefsteak tomatoes to go on salads as well as those turkey burgers. I got some Black Label bacon because we needed more of that. I do want to pick up a 3-pack of this next time I go to BJ's. I got some shredded iceberg lettuce as well for sandwiches and then to put on the burgers too. I am not sure, guys, if I'm going to have another small haul after this. I don't know yet. My schedule, as you guys know, has completely changed, so I'm actually filming this at night. Normally I would used to go grocery shopping during the week in the morning, but things have changed now with my schedule going back to work. So I don't know if there's going to be another haul after this. If there is, great. If not, I'm going to share with you my meal plan for next week. Also wanted to show you guys, I got these Peter Rabbit organic strawberry banana pouches, which are literally Grady's favorite. I got them off Amazon, Whole Foods, Amazon Marketplace, and they were much cheaper to buy them in a box. They come in a box like this with 10 pouches. And I think at Starbucks these are like $2 something each, like I want to say like $2.50 each. They're pretty expensive. But actually last week when we were in one of the airports for a layover, Grady and I went to the Starbucks in the airport and he wanted one of these. And of course at the airport they marked them up to like, I think it was like $3 for one. So I was like, I really need to get these like in a case. So I think, I want to say, guys, they were like $15 for the case, which makes them what, like $1.50 each, which is a lot cheaper than paying like $2.50 or $3 each. So yeah, I keep all his pouches in this little container because every morning he is able to, I let him pick his snacks for school, and he usually picks like one of these different pouches, but these are his all-time favorite for sure. And he also likes these plum organic ones from that I get at Walmart. But yeah, just wanted to share that I got these on Amazon Whole Foods Marketplace. Hey guys, just wanted to show you the last few things I got at Price Right, and then I'm going to show you my meal plan for the week. I needed romaine because we've been going through about 3 hearts of romaine each week. So I got a package of romaine, and then Price Right has the best prices on the naked juices. I believe they're 2 for $5 or $2.69 a piece. So I got 2 of the Mighty Mango, 1 of the Red Machine. This one is, can't remember the flavor of it, but it has like, maybe I can check on here. It's got apple, strawberries, orange, banana, raspberry, red grape, pomegranate, and cranberries. And then it says boosted with flaxseed, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. I can never remember what's in that Red Machine one. And then the Berry Blast, which is just obviously berry. This is my favorite flavor of the naked juices. And these are going to be great because they really help fill me up in the morning. Since I'm really not a breakfast person, I'm just not hungry first thing in the morning. So these are going to be good for me to take for, you know, for the day for work. And then I also got some of this Marzetti Simply Dressed Balsamic Vinaigrette. I've had this dressing before and it's really good. And they also make a raspberry vinaigrette, which is really good as well. So yeah, I grabbed all this stuff from Price Right. I think it was like $15 for everything here. And now I'm going to share with you my meal plan for next week. Alright guys, meal plan for the upcoming week. I'm going to do those turkey burgers that I showed you guys in the grocery haul with those potato buns one night, and I have some curly fries to use up in my deep freeze, so I'm going to go ahead and bake those off with the turkey burgers. On my one night I have to work till 5:30, and then after Grady goes to late therapy, so I'm going to just take advantage of that frozen pizza that night and do the DiGiorno pizza with salads, because I'll get home at 5:45, I'll have Matt pop the pizza in the oven, I'll make quick salads, and then we'll head out for therapy because therapy is late that night. Another night I'm going to do a pork roast. I have a pork roast. I actually have 2 of them in my freezer. So I'm going to thaw that out and roast one of those off. I'm going to make a steamer potato, those little mini potatoes that I showed you guys. And then I'll do some kind of veggie on the side. For a no meat night next week, I'm going to do a Home Chef meal. They do have plenty of no meat options. So I'm going to do the stuffed poblano pepper meal, and then I'll just make a simple salad on the side. I do want to do a crock pot meal one night next week with a sausage and veggie soup that I make all the time. It's just ground sausage with any veggies I need to use up, some chicken broth, and some tomato sauce. It's really easy. All I'll have to do when I get home from work that night is boil a little pasta. One night I'm going to do the Pioneer Woman Sloppy Joes. I have a recipe for that. I'll link it below. It's right off of her blog. And then I'll do either oven fries or salads with that, depending on my mood. And then of course I have my freebie night, which we can do leftovers, we can do breakfast, or I can just kind of freestyle it. So yeah, I'm still loving my little planner, my meal planner. I still get questions about this, guys. It's a Carrie L meal planner. I have a link in every single grocery haul video for this planner to shop all the different designs. Mine is the smaller version. I call it the mini, but it's not labeled as that. It's just a smaller one. So I have a permanent discount code down below you can use if you're looking to purchase one of these. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday with a new video. Bye, guys.